Hello everyone. In a skillet, drizzle a little olive oil. Add 1 pound of ground beef. Stir and let it cook for about 10 minutes. This is going to be delicious. Add half an onion, thinly sliced, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Mix everything well. Let's season it with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Combine all the ingredients and cook for another 5 minutes. Set the ground beef aside for now. Now, dice 3 potatoes into cubes. Using the same skillet, add the potatoes. Cook for about 15 minutes or until the potatoes turn golden. Season them with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir everything well. Add the cooked ground beef back to the skillet and mix again. Meanwhile, in a bowl, whisk together 5 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped green onions to the eggs and mix well. Pour this egg mixture evenly over the meat and potatoes. Spread it gently to cover everything. Cover the skillet and let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. To make it even more delicious, sprinkle about 5 ounces of cheese on top. Cover again and let it cook until the cheese melts and gets nice and golden. Look at that, a complete mouth-watering meal. It's absolutely divine. The smell is amazing. To give it that special touch, let's add a bit more green onions. Look at this delicious and complete meal. I'm sure your family will love it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to see you in our next recipe. Enjoy.